I'm betting for that or worse. And God knows there's a heaven above, but not if I get there first. Crawling over the mangled bodies of all my fallen kin. When I look back to see it all, this empire of my sin, I see the crevices full of mangled bodies and every single piece of art thrown about my kingdom, and I'm alone. I'm alone. I'm alone. Oh, I'm dastardly alone. And there's no one left on earth for me to stand on. Oh, I'm alone. I'm alone. Can't you see? I'm alone. Will I transfix the populace? That's how I got my fix. On this diamond earring, 24 karat, stargling silver, platinum, platinum, marble, granite, piece of shit. 24 karat platinum, shining piece of shit. Tuck me to bed and tell me I'm so good, not bad at it. In the embers that surround me, I can tell that I'm not good. So I roll down the burning hillside. I roll down the burning hillside. I roll down the burning hillside like I should.